Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. Today on this channel, guys, I'm going to show you how to glam out these books. And these are the books that I did the last time. I'm going to take this one here and put something here because I don't like the way this is loose. So I'm going to wind up decorating this a little bit more to give it a more finished look. This is the side. And this is glitter paper. This one here, I used the mosaic tile to fill in where the pages go. And I had some diamond paper with the adhesive backing. I put that on the side. And the type of paper that I used, I call it a goose print. And this one is more like a pearl, but this too also has a ghost print on it. And that's where I'm at. Oh, didn't show you what I used where the pages are. I used crushed glitter, or it's more like a flaky glitter. And then this one, I put the mosaic tile on the binder part of the book, or the spine of the book is what it's called. And this paper right here is so busy on its own. I didn't need to put anything else on here except that. And for the space where the pages are, I did the gold leafing. So today, guys, I have two books right here. This one, these two books here. This one is not as thick as the other books, which is fine. This one has a little thickness to it. So I'll have fun decorating for you guys. So if you want to see how all this turns out, just hang in there with me, guys. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. This is how I finished off the book. Just put some bling wrap around the edges here. I didn't think that it needed any on this. I have some of this wrap, diamond wrap, or diamond paper left over. I have this type of diamond paper with the adhesive backing, but I do have these are like silver dots with the adhesive backing. Also, I have these iridescent pearls. Yeah, thinking about it. And I also have the gold leafing if I wanted to do that as an option for decorations. I also have an assortment of glitter. Again, I showed you the mosaic glass tile. The paper that I showed you before. This pearl silver and this metallic silver. So first thing we do, wrap the book. I'm going to use the cover that came with the book as a template to cover this book. And for this book, the small book, I'm going to use this paper. So make sure it's the same size, and I'm going to cut out the template for the other book. Alright guys, I had to make up some paint so that I could paint this. I don't want this right here to show, these colors. So I'm going to paint this part of the book. And like I said before, usually was doing a spray painting, but not today. It's not a spray painting day. And I'm just doing it on the the top, because all of this rest of this will be covered. Now see, the bottom is already dark, so that's what I'm trying to create there. Trying to get the middle of this going. Alrighty, and then at this point what I do is I get the glue, which that's how I do. Move that out the way. I also put it down the spine of the book. And I bring the paper over, like so. Smooth it out as best I can. And I glue inside also. It doesn't matter that the glue from here will get on this part, because all of that will be glued together. And there we have it. Next thing I'm going to do is put glue to seal the pages together. Alright, I'm going to sit and let this dry. Okay, guys, I am back, and this book is really not looking how I want, but for the sake of the video, I'm going to keep it moving, because if you know, you understand what I was trying to do. Hey guys, at this point I decided to speed it up. You don't need to see me rerun that whole last step. But for a more polished look, or a more finished look for your glam tablescape books, you should spray paint them. Whatever your accent color is, whether it be white, gold, silver, that's the colors that you would spray paint your book before you apply your paper. Check out Dazzling Designs by Denise. She does a great job at glamming up some books that she got from, I believe she got from the thrifty store, or old books that she had laying around. But check her out. Dazzling Designs by Denise. This is what it looks like after having it sitting under a few other heavy books. Nice and strong. You can see the sheen from the glue on the pages. I look at the book and see what kind of design I want to do based on what I have left out of material from the last project in a bling wrap paper. And I'll just keep working at it and pressing it down and, you know, wiping off brushing off the loose pieces until it has a nice clean look. Now, I've already cut out the bling wrap. You can see where the crease is. I'm going to put this down the spine of the book. And what I thought about were these beads right here. Silver beads. So I think I'm going to try it. See where the look takes us. Like that. I'll be finishing off the back side the same way as I did the front. Okay guys, so this is 2 days later, and got busy and had some things to do, but this is what I did to the last book that I was showing you. I wound up putting this decal on here to do something about this space because it was just too empty and I didn't know what to put here, so I found something to put there. And the leafing, gold leafing was completed. So pretty much this book is done. I wasn't going to do anything else to it. Sometimes a little says a lot. I've been to a Dollar Tree and I found some more of this bling diamond wrap, and this is what I'll be using to hide the flaws on this book. Definitely have to put this on right. So far, this is what it is. Push it up and in as far as it'll go, just like that. And there we have it. Alright, there it is, guys. I hope you all enjoyed the content in this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment below. After you have subscribed, tap that notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will know. And in the meantime, guys, enjoy this slide of my current projects. Thank you again. Bye-bye.